What's up, YouTube? It's your boy D Black, back with another video, man. Yeah. I ain't even gonna say much. Yeah, I am. Today I'm getting the stars and my shit, man. I ain't gonna lie, I can't wait. Don't mind all this sweat. This is what you call work. I just got out of work, man. I'm tired. I get back with y'all when I'm heading to the shop, when I change my clothes, whatever it cut to, bro. But I'm excited. I cannot wait. I'm gonna get them stars, boy. I mean, I don't know how. I mean, I hope it look, you know, how I think it's gonna look, cause, you know, I got the panoramic, however you say it, the double sunroof, whatever that shit called. I got that joint, so. But I'm like, I don't know how the stars gonna look. I'm gonna make the best of it. You know, you already know I'm going to my guys, Welch and Hemi Boy. They finna get me situated, so best in town, man. But I get back with y'all when I get back with y'all. All right, y'all. I just pulled up to the shop, man. Ugh. I ain't gonna lie. I was driving real sophisticated the whole way, obviously. You know what I'm saying? Obvious I was doing that. Damn, these niggas got the door lock? Damn, they got the door lock around this bitch? My thing, man. Ooh, wait. Ooh, wait. I gotta stop saying that. I say that so much, everybody looking at me crazy. Got my nigga Welch in this bitch.
Yeah.
Hard working man. What up, Cuddy?
Shit. Hard working.
Love that. Ooh, come on, man. You cannot stop this boy. He got that chicken hawk in this bitch. That chicken hawk. Look at this motherfucker right here. Man, I gotta put on this channel the motherfucking where it came from, cuz. This ain't no boy. The nigga redid the whole thing, cuz. The whole thing. Put the kid on there and everything, cuz. Oh man, he snapped. Man, cuz. I'm just waiting on my other guy to get here, and then we gonna get started on this. I don't know if I'm gonna help him or not, but man, I'll get back with y'all. I ain't gonna lie, I'm excited as hell, boy. I'm cheesing like a motherfucker. Them boys working on my shit. On my mama. Oh my mama. Finna get me right together. You finna get me together, cuz?
Definitely finna get you together.
Man. I can't wait, boy. Boy, I ain't stop cheesing today. Hey, like, he had me park this bitch in here. I ain't stopped smiling since I parked it in here. It's been beefy. Finna have a star. All I would need is tent. I need tent, cuz.
You know, you're 5%.
5%.
All the way around.
Shit. You gonna do them? You gonna do my tent, cuz?
I don't do 10. But if I did, I would.
Alright. You know somebody that do tent? Who? Oh. He said Oswego. Oh, that's not that far from my crib. That's like 10 minutes. Man, I'll get back to y'all in a minute. Hey. Man, me and this nigga Woods went and got something to eat, cuz. Motherfucker went on a date. Alright, bro. Alright, bro. Motherfucker went to Chipotle, cuz. It's a process, man.
It'll be a little minute. It'll be fast, though, but it do take a little time, though.
Yeah.
I always tell people it depends on how many stars you do. If you do 600, it's gonna take a full day. If you do like 1,200, 1,000, it's gonna take 2 days. That's just what it is. And then there's 2 of us doing it. You feel me? So it's gonna be, I say, about a day type shit.
I hope that motherfucker was on you good. I'm gonna be mad as hell. I look at that bitch. That motherfucker wasn't right. I should have brought my camera. But we ain't Hemi Boy shit. This nigga shit so spiffy, boy. Oh, wait. That nigga got the stars in this shit. Bro, I gotta make sure that move. Damn. That motherfucker just got up, boy. Alright, man. Just got back to the shop. That nigga got my shit out. I'm finna start throwing up. I'm finna start. Bro, no, I ain't gonna see that. I don't wanna be here for that. Man, I'm finna throw up, cuz. What they doing, man? But nah, this how you do it, though. This how you do it. Man, y'all know what I'm saying. Like, when something getting done in your car type shit. You know, I know these niggas do this for a living type shit. You know what I'm saying? But it's like, when you seeing it, like, in process, the process be a motherfucker, boy. This nigga was smiling when I came there. This nigga be on bullshit, bro. Alright, I'll hit y'all. Is it too late to change my mind?
Yeah.
Damn.
Well, no, it ain't. I can take them all out.
No, God. No. God. Damn.
Man, this motherfucker heavy. It's the big one.
Ooh, wee. All right, y'all, man. This next day, I ended up going to the crib. I ain't even help them. Man, I had a 12-hour shift, bro. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. I came home, took a nap. I'm tired. They just told me to come pick that mug up. So my pop's finna take me in this muff. Yeah. Pop's finna take me there, and we gonna get that reaction together.
Yeah, Pops, like this.
He ain't know what's up when he was
Ah, Hold on.
ready.
Yeah, I'm ready, cuz. Deal. Oh, that's tough, cuz. Deal. Yeah, I ain't gonna lie, cuz. Yeah, you snap. Yeah. Man, cuz. Appreciate you. Man. Welch Customs, bro.
For sure.
Welch Customs, man. Ooh, wee. Look what money make a nigga do. That's tough. Hold on, cuz. Yes, sir. That boy always working. Always working. That shit gonna be so hard. It's crazy all that shit you gotta do just to get that motherfucker to, just to wrap that bitch. Boy, that's too much. Nigga got the patience of a, I don't know. Take all that shit apart just to wrap?
And then put it back together.
Nah, cuz.
Then people be wanting their car back in a couple days.
So don't put your shit back in a couple days, cause it's not gonna happen. On my mama. Don't even, nah. I ain't gonna lie. All this rapping making me wanna, you know what I'm saying, dibble dabble. You know what I'm talking about? I might wanna, but I don't know what color I go. I ain't gonna lie.
Y'all gotta give suggestions. What suggestions y'all will say? What colorways?
Yeah, what colorways y'all think I should get? Cause yeah, fuck it. Rap on the way, man. Rap on the way. I don't know what I would get though. Then like it would mess up my thing. Cause like I call my car Clifford, so you know what I'm saying. I would, if I got a rap, I would have to change the whole. You know what I'm saying? I don't know. Y'all let me know in the comments, man. This nigga. Bruh, just look at this shit, boy. Come on, cuh. Yo, there that boy. Turn on that loud ass car. Loud ass car. Man, we in this bit playing tic-tac-toe. Smack this nigga right quick. Let me see. Ooh. I don't know what he got going. Oh, damn. I knew that was that just pissed me off. That just pissed me off.
Got it.
Bro, that's the easiest. I should make your face hurt. Oh, I ain't gonna lie. Y'all. My fat ass went to Cane's. Had to get me some EE, bro. I ain't ate literally since like 3 o'clock. Like I said, I did a 12-hour shift, came home, took a little light nap, and then my boy had called me like, hey, it's time to, it's time for the, And I came straight over there to do that, bro. I'm so tired. But man, y'all like, comment, subscribe. I'm out, bro.